Kenmore Series 100. Maintaining your washer. Maintaining your Kenmore Series 100 washer is essential for its longevity. Proper care ensures that your washer runs smoothly and efficiently. Follow these tips to keep your machine in top condition. Regular cleaning. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of dirt and grime. This helps your washer perform better and last longer. Clean the drum. Run an empty cycle with hot water and vinegar. Wipe the gasket. Use a damp cloth to remove residue from the rubber seal. Clean the detergent drawer. Remove and rinse it under warm water. Preventative care. Tips: preventative care helps avoid common issues with your washer. Follow these simple steps for maintenance. Level the washer. Ensure it sits on a flat surface to prevent vibrations. Check hoses. Inspect for leaks or cracks and replace if needed. Do not overload. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for load size. Use the right detergent. Choose a high-efficiency Chi detergent to prevent excess suds. Keep these tips in mind to maintain your Kenmore Series 100 washer. A little care goes a long way in ensuring its performance and durability.